Oh my gosh! You won't believe what this guy found inside a tree. He was just minding his own business cutting down when his chainsaw hit something solid that snapped his chain. It was a freaking fence post. Nature never ceases to amaze me. This guy's a legend. He's got this giant tree totally under control, using his trusty steel like it's an extension of his arm. Seriously, it's mesmerizing to watch. Hey folks, listen to that turbo scream. Crossing the puddle, climbing the muddy hill with wet tires and tons of weight is respectable. The GSN 240 compact frame saw represents a paradigm shift in secondary cutting, enabling effortless cutting of hardwoods with a minimal energy consumption of 10 to 12 kilowatts per hour. Maintain an impressive production rate of 3 to 4 cubic meters per hour, while minimizing material waste thanks to the ultra-thin 2.3 millimeter curve. At a price of $19,000 US, the GSN 240 is undeniably a smart investment. Brace yourselves, folks. This spectacle is about to blow your minds sky high. While the Hypro 300 Galerings processor may seem antiquated in comparison to modern harvesting equipment, it's important to recognize its historical significance. This machine represented a major advancement in its time, significantly improving efficiency and productivity for its users. This oak tree didn't stand a chance against this lumberjack. With the steel MS 462 in his hands, he made clean cuts, and the job was finished in the blink of an eye. It's truly the right tool in the right hands. And now it's time for the LKT81 Turbo to shine. It's no exaggeration to say that this machine is a true monster in terms of power. This hunk of metal, weighing over 10 tons, was pulled back easily, as if it were just a fraction of the LKT-81's strength. All right, folks, buckle up. We're stacking birch logs, and it's not going to be easy. Mother Nature decided to spice things up with a snow shower. These logs are slippery as heck, so we gotta be smart about this. Forget brute force, it's all about finesse. Let's stack them tight, move them smooth, and show this weather who's boss. Two large trucks carrying logs are pulling each other up a slope on a muddy dirt road. Is that exciting enough for you? Well, I can only say this is how Australians fell trees. Tired of wrestling with stubborn stumps? We've got the solution. The Kobelco 140 and Encon EC219 are the ultimate stump-busting duo. Imagine this. The Kobelco's raw power combined with the EC219's surgical precision. Roots? Obstacles? No problem. Your productivity will skyrocket, and you'll be wondering why you didn't get this combo sooner. Seriously, why do people insist on pushing this LKT-81 turbo to its absolute breaking point? It's like they have a vendetta against machinery. Behold the Ponzi Scorpion, the undisputed king of the forest. This award-winning marvel isn't just a harvester, it's a productivity powerhouse. Its revolutionary design defies gravity, conquering any terrain. The panoramic cabin offers a breathtaking view, making you feel like a king surveying his domain. With the Scorpion, you wield the power of 10,000 foresters. These timber truck drivers in Styria are insane. These mountain roads are no joke, but they're handling them like pros. Respect. Ever wrestled with black locust roots? It's like battling a mythical hydra, right? Well, guess what? We've got the ultimate weapon, the Takuchi compact track loader and the Denuser intimidator. This power couple makes root removal a breeze. No more struggling, no more swearing, just pure, efficient excavation. Ready to reclaim your land? Let's do this. It looks cool, but I think this is a really dangerous way to cut. That guy is going to hurt himself one of these days. The Vermeer BC 2000 sets a new benchmark for wood chipping efficiency. Its 147 kilowatt engine delivers an impressive output of 149 cubic meters per hour, with a maximum output diameter of 510 millimeters. This machine is engineered for high-volume operations, significantly reducing processing time and maximizing productivity.